The form title video on how to generate document when using condition. So you can generate a document based on a condition. I'm going to show you how this is done in this video. So we'll go back to our form here and I'm just going to show you quickly what I've done. So this is basically creating a first name, last name, email, mobile and signature, and if I click submit, whoops, 1 second, let me just go and turn something off quickly. Go and set in here, apply, save, preview. So what I've done is I've set up a simple PDF that once you click it, it will generate that PDF. So if we go back in our PDF setting, in here, and then click on settings, preview before submit, and we've got interactive mode configured. So I'll just quickly apply it, save it, and then what we'll do is we'll set this to submit. Excuse me. So as you can see, once I click it, it brings up my PDF for me where I can enter my name, last name, email, mobile, and then once I submit it, it will submit that contact straight into Salesforce. So that's all well and good, but how do I generate it based on a condition? Okay, let me show you how. First thing we'll do is we'll set up a Salesforce button. So I'll click my submit, and I'll show you what I've done in my push. This is the only thing I've set. I've set a push, and I've said contact equals create. I said use in custom button / action, which is what we're going to insert a Salesforce action into, and all I've said is create first name, last name, mobile, email. Excuse me. And then I've said push into the files within contact. So I'll show you what I've done here as well. I mapped my fields to, I've said custom title, version data, PDF mapping, publish ID, contact ID. Okay, so that's all I've done. So now for condition. So what we'll do is we'll get a hidden field, and we'll call this condition. And then back in our submit button here, we will set this as Salesforce action and then click set, and then we'll add contact create. So we've got an option here called generate document. So what this will do is if I once I've ticked it and click submit, it will generate my documents as well. If you don't tick it and then you click submit, it will not generate the documents for you at all. Now that's that bit, but how do we get it to generate based on a condition? To do that, we go back into a document generation, click our PDF that we just set up, and then under settings you choose condition, and you say excuse me, just tick generate condition. You can use page condition as well if you want. It's all done in here. But for now, we're just going to look at a regular condition. So we'll say choose my field, hidden field condition, and my value is going to be, let's say, email is recorded. And I'll specify why I've chosen that specific value. And basically what I'm going to say is, in order for this to work, the email needs to be populated. So when it's populated, it will add a value in there saying email is recorded, which is what we've got our condition as. So back in here, we've got a condition which is email is recorded. So let's go ahead and write a condition on this field. We'll say if our current field is not empty, which is that, then excuse me, so let's see if we've got mapped anything. We've got nothing mapped. If our current field is not empty, then in our condition set value email is recorded. Email is recorded. Okay, so let's test this out. So I'm going to type in Joe blogs, I'll tell you what, I'm going to leave this field empty for now. Email. Type in random email. Go ahead, this, click submit. Okay, I've submitted. So my question is, would it have generated our document? The answer is no, because it hasn't met a condition. So if you go back into Salesforce integration, check out integration logs, it would have created the contact, look, but it gives you the error saying, excuse me, saying version data is missing. However, our contact has been created right there, Joe Blogs. So that's how that's done. But now we're going to make sure our condition does match. So we go back in here, we'll go back into preview, and we'll go Joe Blogs 123, Joe at 123.com, and look what happens. As soon as I've tabbed out of this, it says email is recorded. So now if I do this and make a little signature, submit, and once it's submitted, let's go and check our integration log. There you go. So step one, a contact's created, and second, have a look, there's our file that's been created as well for us, and it's generated based upon condition. Our condition was if it's not empty, then in the hidden field past the value, file is generated, email is recorded. And then in our condition within our setting, we said if the value equals email is recorded, then go ahead and generate my PDF documentation or whatever I've set up. And that works across all different PDFs and Word documents that you have, that you can write a condition and you can write them under the generate condition section. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching this video.